Well, it's time for a new book. I kind of feel like for this one I should have a deli knife or like a meat slicer because the title for this one is The Pornographic Delicatessen, Mid-Century Montreal's Erotic Art, Media, and Spaces by Matthew Purvis. Let's get in. It's a really cool project that borders between art history, cultural studies, media studies.
I love this cover here that's by Ande Beaulet from Studio Gabarit.
I really think it tests the line between figurative and non-figurative, much like some of the very fun content that's discussed in this book. Quebec really developed its own kind of form of pop art during this period, which was called T-pop. It has this incredible kind of sense of humor to it that is, I think, very well studied by Matthew in this work. Here's, of course, some of the religious or nationalist myths that start to take place. And of course, you know, what kind of T-pop and satirical thing would be without a race car. I remember at some point walking by the closed club on St. Catherine, Club Super Sex. Somebody had graffitied, "This should have been a sex museum. Instead, it is still a vacant lot." Well, scholarly publishing to the rescue. I do feel like this book is in many ways a sex museum. We hope that you have a chance to encounter it. This book is available wherever books are sold, as well as eventually will be for free on our open access platform at press.library.concordia.ca.